clean it up or not?
Yeah. He's really clean now. He perfectly clean now.
Nó look like it's brand new. Except for the shoulder này, đập xíu nó đập xíu dirty.
Yeah.
Kind of. Maybe what's in the đập xíu nữa, scratch nó. Maybe I'm gonna dig pool for a second, and then bring it back into the pool gonna. Maybe put your pool gonna in the big pool. And then if we get tired of doing the mini pool, we just go into the big pool though. Maybe.
Wow. Sao lấy chi nhiều nước cái gì?
Maybe lấy some cho nó đóng even better. They can float. They can just float.
Oh, can he float?
Maybe can't really float.
Oh, no. Nè ba con. Ê da, you okay? Coi này. Can he swim? No, he can't swim. Rồi, nó drown luôn rồi. Don't drown him. Don't drown him. You're killing him. You drown him. You're drowning him, mate. No, you don't do that. You don't do that to the your toys, Ivy. Don't drown him, Ivy.
It's floating.
Nó chết bèo bây giờ.
It's floating.
Đâu, bỏ nó ra, bỏ nó ra.
Look. Here.
Yeah.
There. They're not float. They're not float.
Yeah.
Not float. Not float. Not float. They're going to toss it at the bar.
Okay.
Maybe you should leave it at the bar for a few minutes. Or maybe check one now.
Right. Move on to the next one.
Next what?
Next toys. Next one.
Since this one's
Yeah. And then he has nó có have shower right. And the next one having.
Like the other one, then I'm going to get back.
Yeah, that's Leo. His name is Leo, I think.
Leo.
Leo.
Like a blue.
Leo, the turtle.
Not already clean. It's up like a foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go to seal paint this up off. They're going to dive in the turtles live in water.
Yeah, turtle can swim.
So they can swim the.
Yeah, turtle is a good swimmer. Really good swimmer.
Sometimes in the one day, huh? Maybe the crawl. Splash. Not going to home, but not going to go with them back to seal. And then they can go up.
Rồi drown nó luôn nữa rồi. You drown Leo rồi. He's drowning eh?
Leo can't float. Why?
Yeah. Can he float? Uh-oh. Because he's too heavy, yeah? Maybe he's heavier than...
Maybe this one is bigger.
Yeah.
Maybe this one is bigger.
Big but it's lighter, yeah? It's lighter. Which one is heavy? Which one is heavier?
This one kind of...
Yeah, Leo is heavier.
No, both of them may be the same.
Yeah. Maybe Leo's a little bit heavier.
Hey,
That's why he's
drown, but this one
that's why Leo is sinking.
Yeah, but Leo can breathe underwater.
Oh yeah? Oh. So he can breathe under the water, so he's not drowning.
Not okay with drowning.
You can drown him. He can breathe under the water. Yeah, he's the turtle, that's why. Because turtle can breathe under the water, right? Human can breathe under the water, but turtle can.
Humans, they usually jump a thing, goggles,
the air, oxygen tank. They need the oxygen tank. They breathe from the oxygen tank, yeah? Yeah, that's oxygen. That's the air that you need to for breathing.
So the water is dirty, but the ground are clean.
So just pour in a bucket đi con. It's dirty rồi. Pour that dirty water in the big bucket. Yeah. Okay.
And maybe use it from another tank.
Have a look. Just use the clean water. Which one is cleaner? Or you can use from the tap. Have a look. Let that have a look. Bác coi coi.
This one maybe get cleaner.
Let me get the clean water for you, Aivy. Come on. Okay. Yeah, đi cho ba lấy.
Okay.